Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to drain the coolant system on a Dodge Magnum or Dodge Charger. 3.5 engine, probably be the same for the 5.7 and 2.7. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. We'll have a video, guys, how to bleed the system the right way. If you don't bleed it the right way, you can overheat the engine and it's done. So make sure you do it right. We'll have the video posted soon. So guys, what we decided to do, we took the fan off so we can show you better, because otherwise it's hard to see. You don't have to remove the fan or anything like that. Just you need to place something on the bottom of the car, like a container, to catch the coolant. Don't just drain it like that. You have to catch it because that thing is a poison. And we took the fan off so we can show you where the drain plug is, right there. Otherwise it's almost impossible to show it. And now we'll need to get it loose. Okay, let me get on this side so we can demonstrate how to do that. Okay. You can see it's down there and we're gonna turn it, okay, counterclockwise, get it loose, and it's going to pop out, but it will still stay there. So let's see how much it needs now. Okay, like that. You can see we turn it quite a bit. So we open it. Now we need to remove the cap there for the radiator, because otherwise it will create vacuum and it won't come out. Okay guys, and you can see it's draining now. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna drain. If it's stuck, we'll actually show you how to actually get that thing unstuck, because it's possible that it got some dirt and stuff probably in the plug, because it's not going fast enough. So we'll show you what to do now. So we're going to use a compressor, okay, with a blow tube, and we're going to blow in the hose. And we fixed our problem. You can see how fast it's draining now. It was just something stuck there in the system, but everything's good now. So it's gonna take about probably 10-15 minutes to drain the whole system. Just give it some time until it's done empty. And after that, all we have to do, you need to get the valve tight. You can reach it from the bottom, no problem, guys, but we just wanted to show it to you good so you know where it is. That's why we took the fan off again. You don't have to do that. We have a video how to bleed the system right, because if you don't, you're going to overheat the car. So check out the channel, video will be posted soon. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe so we can grow that channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.